how to use the Sol trading bot. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Sol trading bot. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your Telegram and go to Solbot page, and here you can click open Telegram and then click start to start using the Sol trading bot. Now once you see this page here, it means that you've started the bot and we're now ready to actually set up our wallet. And we can do that by clicking wallets over here. Now for you, if you haven't generated a wallet yet, you won't be able to see this section here, but you will be able to see this button that says generate new wallet. So you wanted to generate a new wallet by clicking this here, and then it should update and you should be able to see the start of your wallet address right here. So now that we have actually generated a wallet, we can go back up to the top and click start again, and we should now be able to see our wallet address and also our balance. But since it's your first wallet that you've made on here, your balance will probably be 0. So you need to copy your wallet address and just send some Sol over. And once you've done that, we can click wallets and it will say how much Sol you've got in here. I want you've actually deposited some. We're now ready to go to the next step. So next up, there's actually two ways on how we can buy tokens. We can either buy and sell them like we would normally, or we can also snipe them, which means we can try and buy them as soon as some new pairs launch. Now the second way is more risky. However, you can make good money doing that, but I'd only recommend doing that if you kind of know what you're doing. So in order to buy and sell, you simply just have to paste the contract address. So we can paste an address in here and click enter, and we will now see all the information about the coin. So in order to buy this coin, all we would have to do is click buy mode, and from there we can choose an amount down here that we want to buy. So there are some presets, and there's also buy X sell, which means you can buy a custom amount. So if we wanted to buy this much amount, for example, we could do something like that, and when we click enter, it will actually buy that. So as you can see, we now got that in our wallet, and we can see here the initial that we bought it for and how much it's worth now. Now if you've got multiple coins, you can flick through it here, but if you've only got one coin, it's just going to stay like this. You can see a wallet here which will show you how much is currently in your wallet, and if you wanted to sell it, we can do that using these presets down here. Now if we wanted to buy some more, we could go back to buy mode and continue buying. But if we do want to sell, we can go back to sell mode and we can choose the amount that we want to sell. But in this case, I'm going to click sell all, and it will now sell all of it in one transaction. So that's the basics of how simple buying and selling works. But now onto the token sniper. Now in order to snipe coins, you can find them usually on Discord or some sort of community like that. And you want to find coins that have set a trade start time. And this basically means that they have set a certain amount of time until they launch. So that's basically how you can use the Sol trading bot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.